Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. So today's recipe is about lemongrass spiced tea. Yes, like you can see that this is one of my favorite teas to have. So we are using the spices. We have the star anise, that is how it looks like. It is in a star form. We have the cloves, that is how they look like. They are black in color, and they also have other uses, some other medicinal purposes. We have that green leaf, it is the bay leaf. We have the short sticks, the cinnamon sticks. We have those pods. They are for cardamom. Cardamom has three pods. They are those for white, green, and also black. But if you can access the green ones, please use those ones because they are sweet and warm. Then we have the green leaves, kind of thing that you have seen. That is the lemongrass, and then the crushed ginger. So here we boil water in a saucepan, and then to that we add the rest of other spices that I have mentioned to you, like you can see there. So I crush the lemongrass in my hand such that it can produce that nice scent. It has that nice aroma that is going to put in also this tea, and then you add it in there. So you boil this tea until it boils before we add in the ginger. If it is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. So like after 5 to 10 minutes of the tea boiling and all the spices infusing and everything, then that is when we add in the ginger. Remember, the ginger, it evaporates, so when you are covering again, don't cover the whole saucepan such that it does not pour all over. So you cover just a little bit on the side, and then let that simmer as well on for like 5 minutes, and before you know it, you are good to go and your tea is done. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let me know what are some of the teas you love taking. Let me know where you're watching from this video. So once the tea is ready, you can sieve and you serve using a teapot, or you can just keep it in a flask and you are good to go. So just like that, within no time, your lemon spice tea is done. At this rate, your kitchen is smelling really nice from the lemongrass because it has that nice aroma. But it is not just a nice tea to have, it also has some health benefits that really get back to you. Taking this tea, because of the spices we have used, it has the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and with that, it helps with the boosting your immune system. It helps with the digestion. It helps with the heart, brain related diseases and issues. So you are really good to go with having this spice tea. So feel free to sweeten with either sugar or honey, and just like that, you are good to go with your family and loved ones. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on notification to be notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.